In this video, we are going to use the LiveLogic to measure the baud rate of an RS-232 signal. Here we have captured an RS-232 signal. To measure its baud rate, first find a pulse that is only 1 bit wide and zoom in on it. Next, set the A and B marks to measure the bit width. Here we can see that the bit is 8.723 microseconds wide. By hitting the slash key on the keyboard, we can turn that into a frequency. So 1 over dt is 114.64 kilohertz, which is the baud rate of the signal.